Truecaller has helped me to come out of certain scams where people pose as DOT officials. Hi everyone, I'm Alfred. I'm a third generation educationalist and I manage Sacred Heart Group of Schools, Chennai. So I've been using Truecaller since 2016, and I initially found that it was not so tightly integrated with iPhones. So I moved to Android, and it has really helped me to identify unknown calls instant. So Truecaller helps me to filter out all those unwanted calls, and helps me to be more productive. It's funny to see those names which people usually give for those fraud calls, and Truecaller has helped me to come out of certain scams where people pose as DOT officials and stock market investors. So it has really helped me out of such scams. I mean, with the rise in the number of scam calls and people falling for that, I would really recommend people to install Truecaller as a mandatory app in every phone. And sometimes I even go to the extent of helping my family members in having Truecaller on their phones. So I've been using the premium plan for quite some time, and I really like the AI features. Truecaller has done a wonderful job there. So it filters out almost every spam call, and I get the ones which really needs to come in.